Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Check out the licensed Porsche 911 foot-to-floor ride-on car for kids. Not only does it look great, but it's also fun too. Your little one will find it easy to push anywhere they like and even comes with a working horn. It's suitable for children of up to 3 years of age or up to 95 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Check out the realistic brake discs. Rubber tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.